to everyone. And I see the truth.
After years of war, Robin Hood telling stories.
If
People keep wondering.
I got this. We're 1196 on that possible hit and run.
Judge, or you will be executed.
2026 is shaping up to be an epic year for movies. In this video, we are counting down the top 10 most anticipated upcoming films, from thrilling action and sci-fi adventure to gripping dramas and unforgettable stories. Let's dive in. At number 10, Robin Hood.
I got this. We got a runner!
Intelligence with access to every camera, cell phone, and database. Or you will be executed.
Grappling with a past of crime and bloodshed, Robin Hood is left gravely injured after what he thought would be his final battle. Taken in by a mysterious woman, he is offered a chance at redemption. The story blends action and dark drama, exploring legacy, forgiveness, and whether a legend can truly find peace. At number 19, The Odyssey. The Odyssey reimagines Homer's epic journey as Odysseus fights to return home after the Trojan War, facing gods, monsters, and impossible trials. The story explores survival, loyalty, and the cost of war. As every victory pulls him further from home, the journey becomes as emotional as it is dangerous, epic in scale and mythic in tone. The Mandalorian and Grogu. The Mandalorian and Grogu follows Din Djarin and Grogu on a dangerous new mission across the galaxy. As powerful enemies hunt them, their bond is tested and destiny calls. The story blends epic Star Wars action, emotional growth, and legacy, showing how loyalty and choice can shape the future of the Force. Disclosure Day. On the day a massive government secret is said to be revealed, a journalist uncovers a dangerous conspiracy that puts lives and the truth at risk. With powerful forces closing in and time running out, every move could be fatal. As the tension escalates, trust is scarce and betrayal lurks around every corner. Mortal Kombat 2. When fighters from Earth Realm are drawn into a deadly tournament, a new generation must face ruthless warriors from other realms. Every battle could be their last, and betrayal lurks in unexpected corners. As secrets are revealed and powers clash, survival means mastering both skill and strategy. Supergirl. When a mysterious threat emerges that could destroy national city, Supergirl must confront enemies from her past and secrets she never knew. As danger escalates and allies question their loyalties, every decision carries deadly consequences. With the city's fate hanging by a thread, can she stop the threat before it's too late? The Beauty. In a near future world where perfection is mandatory, The Beauty follows a young woman drawn into a system that promises flawless appearances at a hidden cost. As disturbing truths surface, she begins to resist a society built on control and illusion. The story blends sci-fi and thriller elements, exploring identity, obsession, and the dark price of beauty. Mercy, a judicial system powered by artificial intelligence with access to every camera, call phone, and database. Mercy follows a hardened man seeking redemption after a violent past catches up with him. When a single act of compassion pulls him into a dangerous situation, he must confront old enemies and more choices. The story blends tension and drama, exploring forgiveness, justice, and whether mercy can truly change a life. Avengers Doomsday. Doomsday unites Earth's mightiest heroes against a catastrophic threat that could erase reality itself. As old alliances are tested and new heroes rise, the Avengers face impossible choice with the fate of the universe at stake. The story delivers epic scale, emotional sacrifice, and a dark turning point that reshapes the future of the Marvel Universe.